going to show you how to make the easy Chinese New Year cupcake. All you need is about 1 box of the kind of cake mix. You can pick any flavor that you want to. And also you follow what the box said. They said 1 cup water and half cup oil and 2 eggs. So I got everything ready here. So I put the egg in it first. 2 eggs in it. And make sure you stir the egg really well. Then I put half cup of oil like the box said. And 1 cup of water. Okay, then I'm gonna put a box of cake mix in it. And then I'm gonna put a half cup of, they call it glutinous rice in it. Just half cup of it. Put it on the sides first. Then I'm gonna put some okay. Okay, I'll put a little more in it. This Chinese New Year cupcake, we call it fat gold. Fat means make a lot of money. Gold means go up to higher level. We also call it good luck cake also too. We only make it once a year. And some people told me that they steam the cupcake. They are not blossoming like a flower. So I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. Put all the stuff in it. So in the box say that I suppose make it about 2 minutes by hand. So I'm going to be stirring about 2 minutes. Okay, I think it looks pretty good right now. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to be put the cake mix to the pancake, to the cupcake pan like this. But I'm going to cut it, see, all the way around the hole. The reason not doing that because then the heat will go through all the hole. We make the cupcake open, like blossoming like a flower. So if you don't do that, they just turn out like the regular cupcake. So I'm going to put that in there first. So that's why a lot of people told me that the cupcake didn't turn out like a blossoming, like a flower. That is the reason why. So that's why I'm going to show you why. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. Put about 80%, okay? Okay, this is all done. And I turn on the high heat and steam that for 30 minutes. And do not open that before 30 minutes, otherwise it will screw up, okay? So now see the water is boiling. Looks good. Okay, I'm put it up there. Then I cover it for 30 minutes. Then we are done. Okay, this is already 30 minutes. I'm going to open it. You see how the bars mình này pháo now? It's hot. Let me. Woo, really hot. Okay. Let me turn off the heat first. Cover it so the steam won't come out. See how they open like that? So I'm going to decorate a little bit. Okay. Decorate here a little bit. Okay, this is how I make today the Chinese New Year cupcake.